morning. Monday, sorry, 18/11/2021. Option chain analysis morning review. So now we see how the market will behave and based on the option chain analysis. See, today if the that allow that 38,000 strike price having around 11 lakh and 70,000 call open interest, and this side 20 lakh and 80,000 put open interest. If and 37,900 and 37,800, 37,700 are having around 50,000 on average. If more calls are added, like here in this place in the early morning, there's a after market opening, and early in the market opening, and here if this was these values are this put unwinding happening here, then we may see the market may go down. If the values are increasing, these values are increasing, then the market will go down. If these values here in the put side, if the values are getting increased, the market will go up. And we see I upload a video again at 12:30 at midday. We see how it happens.